Okay, so we're going to graph f of x equals 1/3 times the quantity of x minus 6 squared plus 3. So the overall idea here is that this is a square function, so it looks like the parabola at the center is the parent function. Let's get a couple of those points in here. So the general parabola looks like this. That is the x squared. So let's see what's happening to it. So there's a 1/3 out front, and that will compress, which means it's almost like sitting on the function, smashing it. The -6 inside is inside the function, inside the square, so it's moving in the opposite direction. So the -6 will actually shift it to the right, 6, and then the plus 3 at the end is going to move it up or down, in this case up, shift up 3. So let's see where this thing goes. We're going to go to the right 6. I'm going to take that center point, go to the right 6, up 3. So that's where we're going to be. And then we're going to take the parabola and kind of open it up. So where we would go over 1, up 1, we'll go over 1, up 1/3. Okay? And where we would go over 2, up 4, we'll go over 2, up 1/3 of 4, which is 4/3. So not very appealing there, but it'll look like a pretty wide parabola. And that's what we will get. And we're just estimating some of those points there. We just need to make sure we got the center point in the right place and kind of estimating the fact that it's opened up a little bit more.